Hello viewers, my name is Colin and I have been into software programming for the past 20 years. In this video, I would like to show you how to do safe and flexible video presentations for the office or teaching and yes, even party games. Let's assume that this is an office presentation and that we have to present say two documents, an Excel sheet and a Word doc. Normally what we would do is we would load that up into two windows and share the full screen, something like this. At first glance, this seems to look okay, but if you look closer, you will find that there are privacy issues. For example, you can see items that you don't want shared. For example, here you have the bank details. Below that, you have two folders showing private messages and things like that. So sharing the full screen is really a very bad idea. To counter the privacy issue, you can share a single window. But the issue here is that you cannot place two documents side by side for whatever reason. Let's see how this looks inside a Zoom side by side meet. On the right, you can see the Zoom video feed, and in the center, you can see the document that you have loaded. But here's the problem. You cannot place two documents side by side. You can just do a single document. What would be ideal is to have a way to share multiple documents in a single browser. And yes, we can. But we need a custom browser app into which we can load multiple documents. Programmers will recognize this technique as embedding objects into a browser window. Let's take a look at this concept where we have a loader app which is running inside a Zoom side-by-side browser window, and you will notice that into a single browser I am able to load multiple items like a Google-based Word doc, a spreadsheet, a camera feed, and a Canvas application for drawing. Let's check that out now. What you are seeing on the screen is the app I just mentioned. I will start it. Okay, now this is a browser window into which you can add documents. As you can see, there's a single page that has been loaded into this window, which is the app. I will have the add button here to add various items, and there it comes. I can add a test document. Now this test document has been sourced from Google Drive, as you can see down here. The same goes for the test sheet. Yeah. I can move them around. I can resize them. I can add a canvas where I can draw things. Again, I can move it around. I can also add a camera feed. So I've got 4 items on the screen. Now this mode where you can add and lay out things by dragging them and resizing them is the drawing mode. To use the actual window, you will have to switch out the drawing mode and switch in the usage mode, which is now. You can see that I switched to usage mode. I just click again, goes to drawing mode. I click out, it goes to usage mode. And try drawing something here. I choose a color. Okay, so there you are. This is how you can load multiple documents into a single window and share many of them at the same time without having to worry about privacy or sharing the full screen. Going ahead, keep on using Zoom or Google Meet. The app is available at the URL shown on the screen. It's free, there is no license, it does not store any private data. I would try and put a link to the source code at the same URL so that you can download it. And yes, that's it. Till we meet again, have a great day and bye.